Welcome to 1149 Bedford in the best part of Bed-Stuy, just on the border of Clinton Hill. Bed-Stuy is filled with historic architecture, thrift shops, notable restaurants, cafes, and bars. Come home to your private parking that leads you to this modern, 10-unit, sleek luxury condominium complete with elevator. This split layout has total symmetry with 2 beds and 2 full baths. Enjoy cooking for friends in your full-service kitchen with Bertazzoni stove. Feel the sunshine stream in from your double balcony and dine al fresco in your common roof deck. This apartment has it all and is in the heart of one of the most exciting neighborhoods in Brooklyn. Come see what it's all about.